Hey riders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most important conversations in the motorcycling world right now, finding the perfect cruiser motorcycle for senior riders in 2026. Because here's the truth that most channels will not tell you. Age does not stop you from riding. The right bike does, or rather, the wrong bike does. As we age, our priorities shift. We are no longer chasing quarter-mile times. We want comfort over long distances, confidence at low speeds, and a machine that works with our body, not against it. In today's video, we have done the hard research for you. We analyze seat height, engine manageability, ergonomics, technology, and real-world pricing to bring you the 5 absolute best cruiser motorcycles built for senior riders in 2026. Whether you are returning to riding after years away, or simply looking to upgrade to something more comfortable, this list was made for you. Let's get into it. Number 1. Honda Shadow Phantom 750, 2026. This machine is built for the rider who values reliability, simplicity, and effortless control above everything else. The Shadow Phantom 750 carries Honda's legendary 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, producing a smooth and manageable 45 horsepower with 44 lb-ft of torque delivered low in the rev range. This means senior riders get confident pull from a standstill without wrestling with aggressive power delivery. The engine is tuned for relaxed, real-world riding, not track performance. This is where the Shadow Phantom truly earns its place on this list. The 26.2-inch seat height makes ground contact remarkably accessible for a wide range of inseam lengths. The riding posture is a classic forward-reach cruiser position, arms relaxed, feet slightly forward, and spine naturally upright. Long-distance fatigue is significantly reduced compared to sport or standard category bikes. Honda equips the 2026 Shadow Phantom with a combined braking system, CBS, a critical safety feature that distributes braking force between front and rear wheels automatically, reducing the risk of wheel lock for less aggressive brakers. The notable trade-off, however, is the absence of ABS as a standard feature, which some competitors now offer at this price point. The 2026 Honda Shadow Phantom 750 carries an estimated starting price of $8,499 USD. Number 2. Yamaha V-Star 650 Classic, 2026. This machine is built for the senior rider who craves timeless cruiser aesthetics paired with a forgiving, confidence-inspiring ride experience. The V-Star 650 Classic is powered by Yamaha's refined 649 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine, delivering a gentle yet satisfying 40 horsepower with 37 lb-ft of torque. The power delivery is exceptionally smooth and linear, meaning there are no sudden surges or aggressive throttle responses to catch a rider off guard. This characteristic makes it one of the most approachable mid-displacement cruisers available in 2026. Yamaha has engineered the V-Star 650 with a 27.2-inch seat height, slightly higher than the Shadow Phantom, yet still well within comfortable reach for most senior riders. The seating position places the rider in a relaxed, neutral posture with a modest forward lean, keeping wrist and lower back strain to a minimum during extended rides. The wide, well-cushioned seat adds an additional layer of all-day comfort. The 2026 V-Star 650 Classic features dual-piston front brake calipers for improved stopping confidence and predictability, a meaningful safety upgrade for riders who prefer a more measured braking style. However, the most notable trade-off is its carbureted fuel delivery system, which, while mechanically simple to maintain, lacks the cold start efficiency and fuel precision of modern fuel-injected competitors at this price range. The 2026 Yamaha V-Star 650 Classic carries an estimated starting price of $7,999 USD. Number 3. Kawasaki Vulcan S650, 2026. This machine is built for the senior rider who demands modern engineering, adjustable ergonomics, and a sophisticated riding experience without the physical demands of a heavyweight cruiser. The Vulcan S650 is powered by Kawasaki's proven 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, producing a confident 61 horsepower with 46 lb-ft of torque. Notably, This makes the Vulcan S the most powerful engine on this list, yet the power delivery remains remarkably smooth and accessible thanks to Kawasaki's refined fuel injection mapping. Senior riders benefit from strong highway-capable performance without sacrificing day-to-day manageability. This is where the Kawasaki Vulcan S genuinely separates itself from every competitor on this list. Kawasaki engineered the YAR-GeoFit adjustable ergonomics system directly into the 2026 model, allowing riders to customize handlebar reach, foot peg position, and seat height to suit their individual body dimensions. The base seat height sits at 27.8 inches, but the YAR-GeoFit system provides meaningful adjustability for shorter or taller senior riders alike. This level of personalization is virtually unmatched at this price point. The 2026 Vulcan S650 comes equipped with ABS as a standard feature, providing critical anti-lock braking protection across all riding conditions, from dry pavement to unexpected wet surfaces. This is a significant safety advantage for senior riders whose reaction times may require additional braking assistance. The primary trade-off, however, is the parallel twin engine character, which lacks the traditional V-twin rumble and vibration that many cruiser enthusiasts specifically seek in this category. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S650 carries an estimated starting price of $7,599 USD. Number 4. Indian Scout Classic, 2026. This machine is built for the senior rider who refuses to compromise on heritage, premium build quality, and genuinely satisfying performance. All wrapped in one of the most beautiful cruiser designs available in 2026, the Indian Scout Classic is powered by Indian's acclaimed 1,133 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, generating an impressive 100 horsepower with 72 lb-ft of torque. Do not let those numbers intimidate you. The Scout Classic's power delivery is remarkably smooth and progressive, meaning the engine builds power in a controlled, predictable manner rather than delivering aggressive, sudden surges. Senior riders will appreciate the effortless highway cruising capability this engine provides at relaxed throttle positions. Indian has refined the Scout Classic's ergonomics with senior accessibility firmly in mind. The 25.6-inch seat height is genuinely one of the lowest on this entire list, making it an outstanding option for riders with shorter inseams or those who prioritize flat-footed confidence at traffic stops. The riding posture places the rider in a slightly forward-leaning classic cruiser position with mid-mounted foot pegs, delivering a balanced combination of engagement and long-distance comfort. The 2026 Indian Scout Classic comes equipped with standard ABS and traction control, a genuinely premium safety package that actively monitors and corrects both braking and acceleration instability in real time. This dual-system protection is particularly valuable for senior riders navigating unpredictable road surfaces. The most significant trade-off, however, is weight. The Scout Classic tips the scales at 545 pounds wet, which may present low-speed maneuvering challenges for riders with limited upper body strength or balance concerns. The 2026 Indian Scout Classic carries an estimated starting price of $11,999 USD. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114, 2026. This machine is built for the senior rider who wants the full weight of American motorcycling heritage, a thunderous V-twin soundtrack, and a stripped-back bobber aesthetic that commands respect on every road it travels. The Street Bob 114 is powered by Harley-Davidson's iconic Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine, displacing a commanding 1868 cubic centimeters and delivering 119 lb-ft of torque, the highest torque figure on this entire list. Horsepower is rated at approximately 93 horsepower. What makes this engine exceptional for senior riders is its enormous low RPM torque delivery, meaning the bike pulls effortlessly from low speeds without requiring the rider to work through a demanding rev range. Highway overtaking and relaxed open-road cruising feel completely effortless. Harley-Davidson positions the Street Bob 114 with a 27.8-inch seat height, identical to the Vulcan S, yet the overall riding experience feels considerably different. The signature forward control foot peg position combined with a wide, drag-style handlebar places the rider in Harley's classic laid-back, legs-forward cruiser posture. This configuration distributes rider weight effectively across the seat, reducing lower back compression during extended rides. Senior riders with hip or knee mobility considerations will particularly appreciate this relaxed lower body positioning. The 2026 Street Bob 114 comes equipped with reflex-linked Brembo brakes with standard ABS, a sophisticated braking system that electronically links front and rear brake inputs for optimized stopping force distribution. This represents a meaningful safety upgrade over previous generations and provides senior riders with genuine confidence during emergency braking situations. The most honest trade-off, however, is overall vehicle weight. The Street Bob 114 weighs a substantial 650 pounds wet, making low-speed parking lot maneuvers and off-camber situations physically demanding, particularly for riders managing reduced strength or balance. So there you have it, riders, the 5 best cruiser motorcycles purpose-built for senior riders in 2026, each representing a distinct philosophy of what comfortable, confident, and capable riding truly means. If your priority is proven reliability and gentle power, the Honda Shadow Phantom 750 remains an outstanding foundation. If adjustable ergonomics and modern engineering matter most, the Kawasaki Vulcan S650 delivers unmatched personalization at an accessible price point. For riders seeking premium heritage with low seat accessibility, the Indian Scout Classic strikes a near-perfect balance. And for those who want the full American cruiser experience with commanding torque and iconic character, the Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 remains in a class entirely its own. Remember, the best motorcycle for a senior rider is not the most powerful, nor the most expensive. It is the one that fits your body, matches your riding style, and gives you the confidence to keep exploring every road ahead. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, please hit that subscribe button. We publish in-depth motorcycle guides every week, designed specifically for riders who take their craft seriously. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.